Hello, we're ready to get started. So if you would please grab your morning workbook and turn to page 56. While you're turning to page 56, I'm going to go ahead and get our camera ready to go so we can see our work. All right, so on page 56 in our morning workbook, on the very top, it says language. It says read the pair of sentences. Pair means two. Read the two pair of sentences. Decide if each sentence is declarative, meaning it's just a statement, like the ice cream is cold. Interrogative is a question. Would you like some ice cream? Exclamatory is excited. Yes, I want some ice cream. Excited mark, exclamation. So we end a statement with a period. We end a question with a question mark. We end an exclamatory sentence with an exclamation mark. And then we have imperative, which ends with, we end our sentence with a period, which is like a command. Someone tells you to do something. They don't ask, they command, they tell you. Stop running in the house. So that's an imperative sentence. All right, so it says decide if each sentence is declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, or imperative. Then write the correct punctuation mark on the line. How are you all feeling today? What punctuation goes there? We are going on a field trip shortly. Punctuation. It's exciting. Punctuation. It has been a long time since our last field trip. Punctuation. Please sit down now. Punctuation. The bus is moving. Punctuation. When will we arrive at the rest area? Punctuation. We would like a break from writing. Punctuation. All right, so you're putting your punctuation mark on the line. I know it gives you a lot of space to put your little mark on there. Number 5 under math, it says read the problem, then answer the item. Malika has 3 plastic bags with 8 grapes. Oh, goodness. Malika has 3 plastic bags with 8 grapes in each bag. The grapes will be divided equally among 4 friends. How many grapes will each friend get? So we have a division problem. 8 total grapes divided among 4 friends. How many grapes will each friend get? Write 1 next to the question that must be answered first. Write a 2 next to the second question to answer, then answer each question. All right. I get a little tickle in my throat, and then it sounds like I'm coughing to death. All right. So the first one says, how many grapes are there in all? 3 times 8 equals what? How many grapes will each friend get? 24 divided by 4 equals what? All right, so 1 or 2, and then your answer is there. Under reading, it says read the text and answer the question. So let's look at the question. Have you ever felt like Kingsley when you didn't do something as well as you had hoped you would, or as well as someone else did? Write about it. So you're going to write a complete sentence. Remember, you can restate part of the question in your answer. Ursula and Kingsley both love sports, and they like to play against each other. Kingsley is more athletic, though. When they play basketball one-on-one, Kingsley usually wins. Ursula is always a good sport, but when they both tried out for the soccer team, surprisingly, Kingsley didn't make the team. He kept missing the ball. Ursula's tryout, however, went well. Kingsley was upset and a little jealous of Ursula. Have you ever felt like Kingsley when you didn't do something as well as you had hoped you would, or as well as someone else did? Write about it. Okay. So he didn't do as well as he expected himself to. Have you ever felt like that? Or did you ever feel like, that jealous feeling, envious feeling? Write about a time right there. All right. So that is everything we're doing in our morning work. So just be doing page 56, and we will correct it tomorrow morning and get ready to do page 57. All right. We say hello and goodbye to you really quick. All right, so finish page 56, and then when you're finished, you can head over to vocabulary, so you'll need your vocabulary journal, and we're going to get our 5 new words today. All right, I'll see you in vocabulary.